Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to hide your following list on Instagram. So if you want to hide your following list on Instagram but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Instagram app on your device. So if you have not installed the Instagram app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device, and after that you just need to open the Instagram. So as you can see, this is the home page of Instagram, where you can see various options on the bottom taskbar and various stories shared by the other people at the very upper task. Now the thing is that on Instagram you cannot hide it completely, but you can make your account private, which hides your following or followers list from anyone who doesn't follow you. Now to do so, you just need to open the Instagram and click on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right, and from here click on the option of three straight lines at the very top right, or click on the option of menu, and from here you just need to tap on the option of account center. So this is the homepage of settings and activity, and here you will see the option of account privacy, and from here if you have a public account, you will see the option of private account button off. So toggle it on to make your account private, and you'll be able to hide your following list. And to hide it from specific people, you may simply remove a follower. So you may simply go on, search the follower's name, and you may simply remove it from your friends list, and you'll be able to hide the remove you. So to remove a specific people, you may simply remove a follower. So you need to go on their profile, so tap on the followers and tap remove, which is next to their name, and you'll be able to remove them. So that's it. That's how you can hide your following list on the Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.